Well folks, working on the TEN-TEC power supply here tonight. 10 amp TEN-TEC that works with my TEN-TEC Argosy 525 Delta. The power supply is supposed to be used with the radio. The radio, or the power supply I should say, for whatever reason, she's now blowing the AC fuse, primary side of the transformer. I replaced the fuse. I've removed the secondary from the bridge rectifier here and powered up the power supply. I'm getting 17 volts on secondary, so I know the transformer is good. So something on to go on this side of the power supply. So that's what we're at here now. So right now I'm just going to try swapping out the bridge rectifier. See if that might be what's going on here. That's what I'm thinking at this point. The other problem could have the current amplifier could be shorted. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to go one step at a time here. I'm going to change out the bridge rectifier here, and then I'm going to disconnect the positive side of the bridge rectifier here from the capacitor, and we're going to run the transformer into the bridge by itself to make sure that that there's no problem from that side. Then we know it's from the bridge rectifier on is the problem. So let's I'm going to swap out that bridge now while I'm at it. Have that out of the way and see how she goes. So as I end up replacing the bridge rectifier, put a new 1 amp fuse back here on the AC line, resoldered everything up, and this is the old bridge rectifier that came out of this TEN-TEC power supply. Looks pretty toasted on this side, but this is the type of bridge rectifier that was originally in this power supply. In case you're wondering, that's the original one. So that can just go the garbage. And I put a new bridge rectifier in here, full wave bridge rectifier. And we're turned on. Light comes on, and we have 13.8 volts on the back of the power supply. I already tested this a few minutes ago with the voltmeter, and there we have it. So the bridge rectifier was the cause of this fuse popping over and over again. The TEN-TEC power supply, this is the Model-225, 13.5 volt DC at 9 amps. It's actually a pretty good power supply, and it was made for the TEN-TEC Argosy 525 Delta because it has a trip inside that if a rated draws any more than a certain amount of current, the power supply will shut down to protect the radio. Anyways, just a little video for you. I have another little project to work on this evening. And another little piece of radio equipment that was a friend of mine wants me to have a look at, so I'll be taking a look at that now this evening. Anyways, all the best folks. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Channel 63 out.